Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started.
Hello, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to enable an option to allow removed participants to rejoin your Zoom webinar. And this is off by default because Zoom is thinking that you removed someone because they were a nuisance in your room or they needed to be removed. But there might be an instance where you have an individual who is maybe having a bad connection or something happened and you need to manually remove them, but you want to add them back to the meeting. So in order to do that, first off, go ahead and open up your Zoom web portal. If you don't know how to do that, go to zoom.us and log in. And then once you're in, go over to admin and then click on account management and then click on account settings right here. Next, you're going to click on in-meeting basics. And then you're going to scroll down until you see the option that says allow removed participants to rejoin. Go ahead and click this. It's going to say enable allow participants to rejoin. And then you're going to want to enable this. All right. And now you will be able to add removed participants back to your webinar. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.